Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Now, I told you that I have some good news for you, so you can breathe a sigh of relief tomorrow at the pumps, because effective tomorrow, a litre of 87.90 gasoline will sell for $4.50 less, reaching their lowest ex-refinery rate since the first week of February. $4.50 will also be shaved off the cost of diesel, ultra-low sulfur diesel and kerosene for a third consecutive week. $1.14 will be removed from the cost of propane, or the price of butane will go down by 75 cents. Some news in tourism now. Port Royal received its first cruise vessel for the winter tourist season, which started this month. Now, the Marella Discovery 2 docked at the Old Naval Dockyard on Wednesday with more than 1,600 passengers and 600 crew members. It first called on Port Royal in 2020 before the COVID-19 pandemic. Executive Director of Jamaica Vacations Jamvac, Joy Roberts, says the return of the line is significant as it starts its voyages or home ports in Jamaica.
Right now, we're working with Marella, and Marella is very important to us. We support them because not only do they come to Port Royal, they go to another port. They would have home ported in Montego Bay, and home porting is very important to Jamaica. We have few ships at home port right now, and but home porting brings a lot more revenue because passengers get an opportunity to either stay 7 days before, or as long as they want, in Jamaica, or when they come back, they can stay over. So it is significant, and as a result of that, we in the Ministry of Tourism, through JAMVAC, support cruise lines like this. We're looking for others. We would have had some others on the plans, but of course, we have to go back out and aggressively look at bringing other cruise ships with.
Now, it's estimated about $800 is spent on average per passenger locally when vessels home port. Meanwhile, port manager at the naval base at the Naval Dockyard, Lloyd Brooks, says a number of other vessels should dock at Port Royal by year end.
We have 3 up to December. We have December 21st, 24th and the 26th. And then between January and March we have 4 more. And then we have a break.
Now to some company news. CEO of Jamaica Producers Jeffrey Hall is stepping down from the board of Scotia Group Jamaica. Mr. Hall serves as Scotia Group's chairman. His 15-year stint on the board will end on December 9. Now, Anya Schooner has been appointed to succeed Mr. Hall as chair. Anya is a current board member of Scotia Group Jamaica and is the executive vice president for the Caribbean, Central America and Uruguay region at Scotiabank. Anya joined Scotiabank in Jamaica in 2006 and has held progressively senior roles across the bank. Well, let's head to the currency market now. The US dollar is being sold for an average $154.97. $116.34 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar. $184.77 for the pound, while it's costing an average $161.43 for the euro. The JSE Index lost 2,866 points today, while the Junior Market Index fell by 21 points. Among the winners were JMB Group 7.25% shares, Kingston Wharves, NASCO Financial Services, Blue Power Group and CAC 2000 9.5% cumulative redeemable preference shares. The losers were led by the Limner & Bard's The Lab, Everything Fresh, T-Tech, Kingston Properties and JMB Group 7.5% shares. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Good evening.